Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss when to post on TikTok. So there is no the best time to post on TikTok because TikTok's algorithm is highly personalized, and that means that it shows content to users based on their interests and behavior. And also another thing that what might work for another creator doesn't mean that it will work for you. So success depends on the style of your content and basically how your audience engages with your content. But there are some tips. And the first one is that you should post consistently 3-5 times per week because consistency is key. And also you should analyze your TikTok's analytics, and there you can see when your followers are the most active. So yeah, I think that's all for that topic for me for today. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.